URHOBO Mengonota kpere Ọmrevu ruohwo. Knowing about some common illness in URHOBO language. OYIBO, English, then URHOBO. Cough, Ọkpaha, Catarrh, Ifriwe, headache, Uyovwi ekpere. He is feeling headache. He is feeling headache. Uyovwi ekpere. That is, he is feeling headache. Uyovwi ekpere. Cold. Ekpahe. She is feeling cold. Ekpahe. Leprosy. Ọgaroti. She is suffering from leprosy illness. Orioja ọgaroti. Body pain. Oma-ẹmiavwọ. I'm feeling body pains. Oma-ẹmiavwọ. Menstruation. Ọke-ẹmrẹ. I am under my menstrual cycle. MAMỌ. Pregnant. Ọke-ẹmrẹ. Pregnant woman. Ivun. I am pregnant. mrevu. She is pregnant. Ọmrevu. He impregnated her. Ọke-ẹmrẹ. He impregnated her. Ọke-ẹmrẹ. Are you pregnant? Ọmrevu. Yes, I'm pregnant. Mrevu. Dizziness. ruohwo, ghwọrọghwọrọ. That is dizziness. ghwọrọghwọrọ. I am feeling dizzy. ghwọrọghwọrọ. Dizziness. ruohwo, ghwọrọghwọrọ. Running temperature. I am running temperature. That is Oma-ẹtorhẹ. Running temperature. Oma-ẹtorhẹ. I am running temperature. Oma-ẹtorhẹ. My child is running temperature. Oma-ẹtorhẹ. Stool. Ivun. Stooling. Ivun. Mad person. Ọrhẹ. Are you mad? Ruohwo. Madness. Ọrhẹ. Vomiting. Again. She vomited. Again. She is vomiting. Again. Why are you vomiting? Tiredness. Oma-ẹrhọ or Oma-ẹbrukwe. I am tired. Oma-ẹbruku or Oma-ẹbẹrẹ. Fatigue. That is ghwọrọghwọrọ. Then I am having a feeling of fatigue. Oma-ẹrhọ. Tooth pain. Ẹmiavwọ. Tooth pain. Ẹmiavwọ. Tooth is paining me. Ọke-ẹmrẹ. Muscle pull. Itite. Epilepsy. Ghwọrọghwọrọ. He is epileptic. Ọmrevu. Wound or injury. Omenwa. The man injured. Woman. He wounded or woman. Asthma. Ọgarẹnwẹ. Measles. Owi. Shiver. Ekpogho. Shivering. Okpogho. My child is shivering. Ọmọmẹkpogho. Broken leg. Ọwọ. She broke leg. Orioja. She broke leg. Orioja. Broken hand. Ọmrẹvu. He broke his hand. Orioja. Abortion. Ivun. She did abortion. Ọmrevu. Stomach ache. Ivun. Stomach is paining me. Ivun. Ulcer. Ọmrevu. Chest pain. Miavwo. Waist pain. Miavwo. Craze. Kọrẹbẹ. Craziness. Ebiekọrọ. Craze person. Kọrẹbẹ. Stroke. Ọgarọbọgbọwọ. Eye pain. emiavwọ. Sorry, eye pain. Emiavwọ, that is eye pain. When eye is paining you. Emiavwọ, eye pain. Emiavwọ, that is eye pain. Then ear pain. Emiavwọ. I am having ear pain. Orioja, deaf. Odiro, deaf. Odiro, deafness. Eroidium, deafness. Blind. Ruohwo, blindness. Ruohwo. Stammer. Ikoko, stammerer. Ojikoko. Rheumatism. Ọgaranyanya, rheumatism. Ọgaranyanya. Convulsion. Ọgarifi, that is convulsion. Ọgarifi. Ulcer is mrevu. Ulcer, mrevu. I want to end my teaching here for today. It's not easy. If you think it's easy, try it. I'm just trying my best to make sure that Yoruba language does not go to extinction. Thank you very much for following up, and thank you for following me, and thank you for taking your time to study our Yoruba language. Thank you very much. Yoruba. Ado.